AI isn't taking your job. It's giving you a new one. While most people see artificial intelligence as a threat, the truth is it's quietly creating some of the biggest opportunities of our time. Because for every job AI replaces, it opens up another door. A new business, a new service, a new niche waiting for someone bold enough to step in. Think about it. When the internet came along, millions feared it would kill traditional work. And yes, some jobs disappeared. But look at what it created instead. YouTubers, app developers, e-commerce owners, freelancers, social media managers, influencers, and digital marketers. AI is doing the exact same thing right now, but at 10 times the speed. Let's be real, some roles will vanish. Repetitive, rule-based work is the first to go. Customer service bots can now handle thousands of queries at once. Copywriting, image editing, bookkeeping, scheduling, all of that can be automated. But here's the flip side. When something becomes easier, cheaper, and faster, it also creates new demand and new opportunities. Imagine this. A company that once needed 5 employees to create marketing content now uses AI to do it all in one day. That same company still needs someone to manage the process, refine the prompts, handle clients, and deliver the final product. That someone could be you, a business owner leveraging AI instead of competing with it. AI isn't replacing people who adapt. It's replacing people who refuse to adapt. The real winners in this new world are those who understand how to use AI as a business partner. Because AI isn't a threat, it's a tool. And tools don't eliminate opportunity, they multiply it. Let's take a few examples. AI content generation. Before, if you wanted to start a content agency, you needed a big team. Writers, designers, video editors. Now, one person can manage everything using AI. ChatGPT writes the script, Midjourney creates visuals, 11 Labs generates voiceovers, and Runway or Pika edits full videos automatically. That means you can run a one-person media agency serving businesses that don't have time to handle content themselves. That's one new business. Now, let's look at another. AI automation services. Every small business wants to save time, right? You can build a business automating simple tasks, sending follow-up emails, managing appointments, collecting leads, using tools like Zapier, Make, or even ChatGPT API. You don't need to code. You just connect tools together. And the beauty, businesses are willing to pay for something that saves them time or money. Next, AI consulting. Thousands of companies are still confused about how to use AI effectively. You could learn how to integrate AI tools into marketing, HR, or sales, and offer that as a service. Help businesses choose the right AI tools, build prompt libraries, or train employees. That's a growing market, and it's only the beginning. Another booming area: AI-powered education. People are hungry to learn how to use these tools. You could create courses, YouTube tutorials, or ebooks teaching beginners how to use ChatGPT for productivity or how to build AI workflows. Knowledge has become one of the most valuable products, and AI helps you package it faster than ever. Even creative fields are transforming. Artists, designers, and filmmakers are now blending AI with imagination. They use it to brainstorm faster, visualize concepts instantly, and reach global audiences. AI isn't removing creativity, it's amplifying it, and the ones who master it will lead the next generation of creative industries. Let's look at freelancers. If you're a freelancer, you can double your output using AI. Writers can use it for structure. Editors can use it for subtitles. Designers can use it to create mock-ups in seconds. It's not about replacing skill, it's about enhancing it. AI doesn't make you irrelevant. It makes you irresistible when used right. And here's something powerful. Many people who lost jobs to AI are now building AI-based businesses themselves. Former customer service reps are selling chatbot setups to companies. Ex-copywriters are running prompt libraries and AI script writing agencies. Designers are creating digital art packs using Midjourney and selling them on Etsy. AI didn't end their careers, it upgraded them. So the real question is not, will AI replace me? It's, how can I partner with it? Because here's the truth, AI doesn't understand emotion, context, or human ambition. It doesn't know what problems people truly care about. That's your advantage. Your creativity, empathy, and insight are what give AI purpose. You bring the direction. AI brings the speed. Imagine combining your skill with AI power. If you're good at writing, use AI to scale your content creation. If you're into business, use AI to build automation services. If you love art, use AI to design posters, logos, or NFT collections. If you're into teaching, use AI to build learning experiences. The list never ends. Every major shift in history rewards the early adopters. Those who complain lose time. Those who learn and adapt build empires. Think about this. Amazon used automation before anyone else. Tesla used AI to predict driving behavior. Small startups are now building six-figure businesses just by selling AI-generated social media templates, chatbot setups, or personalized video scripts. You don't need to invent AI. You just need to use it smarter than others. Here's what's happening right now. The 9-to-5 world is shrinking, but the create-your-own world is exploding. The entrepreneurs of tomorrow aren't sitting in offices. They're sitting behind laptops using AI to run businesses that used to need entire teams. The future doesn't belong to those who wait for instructions. It belongs to those who experiment, learn, and act fast. You don't need permission, you need curiosity. You don't need a degree, you need direction. And AI gives you both, speed and scale. So stop thinking, AI is stealing my job. Start thinking, AI is building my next business. Because for every person afraid of change, there's someone else building the next big thing out of it. AI won't eliminate opportunity. It will transfer it. From employees who resist to entrepreneurs who adapt. That's the new reality. And if you understand it today, you'll thank yourself tomorrow.